guys, so today I'm going to go and meet my future in-laws for the first time and I'm really excited. Are you excited?
Why should we get excited?
Meet your in-laws.
Yeah,
Are you
excited?
excited?
Yes. My dad also is very excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What question you asking? Are you excited?
That is my fixed question. I keep asking
That is
him.
wrong, na?
Why?
Some third party you are asking somebody.
Third party na my mother party.
Are you excited?
So now guys, we have stopped on the way to have some coconut water, but there's this famous Elenair drink which is out here, and I made a video already on it on my other channel. Look at this. Are you excited? Here my dad is drinking coconut water and then he's going to want to do Murtram Visarjan. Rahul, how is your Naril Pani?
He knows how to say.
You'll get down. I'll get down.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
Hello, welcome to Janani.
I'm supposed to be recording.
Bend it.
You did record, no? I'm recording it. She told me very specifically in the morning.
No, there's a painkiller. So if you have... So right now...
Wait a minute, your son's.
So this is Dad's friend.
Sit.
This is his friend. I've seen everyone's photos that
Yeah.
he's explained.
Yeah.
Everyone's seen.
Might be a long drive for you to
You are going to stay there not far from us. I'm thinking if I book then after late. Then after that, that time there was no leg pain, but still we took precaution.
No, you take that Ivanic pick.
Now physio is coming after 3 days.
Started physical.
Physio coming to 3 days.
Start.
They told me not to come, but that is much better now. He is standing.
Looks like football, right? So it is really slow.
It is walk there.
No, he didn't walk me here. So what is this?
Rice in there.
Okay, like
Puri like.
a puri, but made of rice. Okay.
Muscles.
Very hungry and very eating for
This is my favorite.
This is ladder. This is carrot cake. This is
One more ganda. She made halwa, that kesari.
Kesari.
So that also can.
What is this pudding? And this? Kallamukkai matlab?
Shellfish.
Kallamukkai.
Oyster, na?
Yeah. Mussels.
So Delhi we asked भैया किधर है Bombay was I'm like थोड़ा in the sense this is in some other places it's like it will be sounding a bit rude type, you know. So but that's the I said and चलो अच्छा सब लोग पूछा and that people are okay with it. I said okay that maybe नहीं every
Can you explain what is all these things?
This is patiri.
Pattiri.
Paratha. Chutney patiri.
Chatti. In this what is stuffed with?
The chicken.
Chicken. Your mouth is watering. You're hungry?
This is archin basically.
Okay.
Cut types.
ये
This is fish.
मोली नहीं fish curry.
This is rice.
Oh wow, that's what dal? No, what is that? Chicken curry. Oh.
This is salad. This is beef coconut fry. That is beef roast. That is curry bean pulichu.
Curry mean polichu. Ah.
Special for you.
That I made. What do I come? But it was fried, this is curry. What are you having?
This is beef.
More than beef.
This is beef.
Beef coconut. That is chicken.
This is fish.
This is fish. This is one try paratha.
I will take after.
This is chicken curry.
Take four. The title you want Venus food.
This is oyster.
Mussels. It is fun, no? Which one?
This one?
This,
Yeah.
this there will be one piece of it and
Rice.
the rest is made of rice. And you
And
want-
like you take the patirya. This is chicken stuff. This is curry beef.
chicken chutney patiri.
This is chicken.
This was there in Rama's also. Take one more.
It's not that Kolkata. Not Kolkata means we make it Kolkata, but it's not that means actually they make it. This is the choice.
You want
This you should try, isn't it? That is chicken.
Fried potato. Raita is there.
You didn't take that kallu makai wala?
Stop, man. Chalo, come on, let's go.
Bus she get a spin attack. This is fine.
Take a photo.
Sit down. You need it.
You should meet